It's here. In my hands, I have from Louis Vuitton Pacific Chill. I finally got my hands in one bottle. This is the 100 ml. We're gonna see. We're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna tell you guys my opinion and what I think of it. I'm so excited. Just from the looks of it, you can see how beautiful this packaging is. See, it's just this beautiful view, and then the Louis Vuitton logo on the top. Let's get right into it, guys. So the way one of these bottles open is from the side. You kind of need to pull. Yeah, see, this thingy opens up. See, opens up, so it reveals the bottle. Why is it not signing? Okay, and this is where the actual bottle is at, right? And then this is left to open. You can keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Right, I'm gonna put this aside, and we're just gonna see. Look at this beautiful packaging. You twist this, and you pull it up. Here you have it, guys. Pacific Chill from Louis Vuitton. Let me just put this aside right here, and pull this. I'm so excited for this. The bottle is absolutely beautiful. Look at all this. I'm just gonna put this aside real quick. I've wanted this bottle, this cologne for so long, and I finally got my hands on one of them. Let's see. Let's look at the atomizer real quick. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, it's so beautiful. It smells amazing. I love this cologne from Louis Vuitton. Pacific Chill is absolutely amazing. It's a W hit for this summer. So this cologne is a combination, a perfect combination. It has peach, it's really fresh, and it's perfect for hot temperatures, especially since summer is now coming up. This is one of the best fragrances you can buy, own, and wear to this hot temperature. And it's absolutely beautiful too. It just smells like straight up summer, you know. I like this little detail on the bottle. Like, you see the letters Pacific Chill. If you turn it around, you can see Pacific Chill. It's so freaking cool. I love this cologne so freaking much. This is probably not the only Louis Vuitton bottle that I'm gonna buy. I'm probably gonna buy Imagination, City of Stars, and probably On the Beach as well. But that is gonna be in the future, since you know these are really expensive. But it's 100% worth it. The price, this is $335, and you can also get it engraved on one of the Louis Vuitton stores. If you go over there, you just ask them to, like, you know, engrave your initials and like on a date or whatever. But you can pick, right? You can also choose a color to engrave it, gold or silver. But personally, I'm not going to engrave mine. But yeah, you can also, if this runs out, you can also go to one of their stores and they're going to refill it for you for a lower price. So it's gonna be like $250 to refill the whole bottle, and it was like $335. So yeah, my opinions on this cologne, it's just a perfect combination. I already said this. This is a perfect combination of peach, fresh, and summer vibes. Pacific Chill gives those hot summer days on the beach type of vibes. You have this on, you're gonna smell really fresh, really kind of not as fruity, but you're gonna have that tiny note of peach in you, right? And it's just absolutely amazing, the combination of all the notes. If this was me, I'd just wear this every single day for the summers. This is absolutely amazing. And I'm just gonna spray it on the skin real quick. I'm gonna tell you guys the top notes. Yeah, the top note is definitely there. The peach is definitely really there. It's really strong, right? And as it settles down, it's really more citrusy and fresh at the same time. It's not a cologne that's like has a bunch of notes packed in together. It's simple and effective, and it smells absolutely amazing. this is just so good, guys. Like, I'm 100% recommend this. This will last on you for about 8 to 10 hours easily. This is an eau de parfum. All the Louis Vuitton fragrances are eau de parfum, except afternoon swim. It'll last for like 2 hours max. Do not buy that one. Buy this one instead. This one or Imagination, do not buy afternoon swim. It's just not worth the money, and it's not gonna. It lasts less than an EDT version of a cologne. So in my opinion, it's not worth it at all. So definitely try this one out. You can find them in one of the Louis Vuitton stores. You can just search them up on Google Maps, Apple Maps, whatever. You'll find them. They're not hard to find. Just go over there. They have all their colognes to test them, and if you like them, it's definitely worth the money. This is just absolutely amazing how it smells, the presentation, the bottle, the atomizer, the performance, the compliments, everything is just worth it, right? I had a little sample. I'm gonna show you guys actually. I had this sample that I bought from this TikTok guy, and I already used it all. It's just as good, and I loved it, so I already bought the bottle. You know, definitely try it on first though. It probably won't work for everybody, but for me it did, and I absolutely did not regret buying this bottle. It's just absolutely amazing. Pacific Chill from Louis Vuitton, 10 out of 10. This is just a 10 out of 10, guys. Definitely try this one out. It's worth the money. So yeah, and just to note, the bottom of this little thingy, it's leather, right? You can like see it. It's leather, so that's a really nice detail of luxury, like Louis Vuitton is. This is just amazing presentation. You cannot go wrong with one of the Louis Vuitton fragrances, except for Pacific Chill. And just to show you guys real quick what the bottle brings, this is what it brings. It's the packaging like this, you know, it's just cardboard, right? It has this little thing, and just listen to this. Look, let's do it again. This is just amazing. And the bottle goes in here, right? So when you open it, I almost dropped it. But when you open it, you see the beautiful presentation of this amazing bottle. So yes, it comes with this. This is how the presentation goes, and I absolutely love it. It's just one of the best presentations I've ever seen, next to Montserrat, of course. But yes, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I would appreciate it, guys, if you consider subscribing. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have given me recently. I absolutely love it. I love making videos for you guys. I love doing this type of content. And so if you guys want me to keep going, support me, please drop a like, consider subscribing, turn the alerts on, the little ring bell, right? And if you want to give me any feedback or whatever you want to see next, definitely drop it down below in the comments, guys. Thank you so much. I'm out.